Hi guys, today we are looking at this vowel team or this letter pattern, which is A, consonant, E. And A, E are known as a vowel team. That means two letters that work together to make one sound. In A, E, A says his name. The first letter does the talking. That's that old saying. When two vowels go walking, the first one does all the talking and he usually says his name. So the most common use of that is A will say A. We see this when it is broken up by one consonant in the middle, then A will say his name because E is his vowel teammate. Okay? That's the pattern we're working on today. So let's make a word. Okay? You ready to sound it out? Remember that the E is silent and that A says his name. Let's sound it out. Tape. Let's sound it out again. Tape. Good, let's say it fast. Tape. Say it fast. Tape. Yeah, this is the word tape. Good job. Good reading. Let's do it again. Let's bring out another word. Remember, we only have one vowel sound. We have the vowel sound A because A and E are a team. E is staying silent while A says his name. Are we ready? Let's sound out this word. Bake. Good. Sound it out again. Bake. Say it fast. Bake. Say it fast. Bake. Yes, I want to bake a cake. Good job. Let's try another one. Okay, remember, we're looking at our vowels, but we only have one vowel sound, not two. We have a vowel team, A-E. E is silent. A says his name. Let's sound out this word. Safe. Good, let's do it again. Safe. Good, let's say it fast. Safe. Say it fast. Safe. Good, this is the word safe. I am safe and happy. Here is another word to try. Now remember, there's only one vowel sound. We have two vowels making one sound. They're making a vowel team. E is silent. A is going to say his name. You ready to sound it out? Let's go. Gave. Sound it out again. Gave. Good. Now say it fast. Gave. Say it fast. Gave. Yeah, gave. The word gave. He gave me a hug. Now let's look at a bigger word because we have a blend at the front. I think you can do it. How many vowel sounds are there? Just one. We have A-E as a vowel team, so they only make one sound. E is silent. A says his name. Let's sound out our word. Grape. Sound it out again. Grape. Good. Say it fast. Grape. Say it fast. Grape. I love to eat grapes. Had to put an S on the end of that. Grapes. I love to eat grapes because you can't eat just one grape. Okay, here we go with another blend at the beginning. Again, we have only one vowel sound And that's because A and E are a vowel team making one sound. E is silent and A says his name, A. Let's sound out this word. Blame. Let's do it again. Blame. Good. Let's say it fast. Blame. Say it fast. Blame. Very good. That's the word blame. I don't blame you. All right, here's a big one. And again, we have one vowel sound because A and E are a vowel team. E is silent and A says his name. Are we ready to sound this one out? Okay. Scrape. Let's try again. Scrape. Good. Let's say it fast. Scrape. Say it fast again. Scrape. Yes, I have a scrape on my knee. Good job. Good job working with vowel team A, consonant E. Good job.